Well, hello there. I can say we are addicted to AI. We are using the AI in our daily life. Now being implemented a new AI tool in the Skype, I can say ChatGPT implemented in the Skype. Now you can take a benefit of AI in a Skype. If you are doing a business, then it is a great tool for you. Well, watch this complete video. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a master tip of this video so that you can increase your business by 10x. So this is the major implementation of Microsoft in the Skype. So let's watch the complete tutorial how to use the Bing AI or how to use the ChatGPT chatbot in our Skype for our businesses. And if you're a freelancer, if you are going to work for someone, and if you are running a business, then this AI chatbot is really great for every person. Well, for using the Bing AI in a Skype, there you'll find at the top of left corner there is a Bing in Skype. Simply click on the Bing icon. Then the right side you'll find a window to do chat with the Bing AI. Then simply you can ask the questions to the Bing. And so for testing, I just ask the basic questions. And if you are suppose first running a e-commerce platform, any kind of Shopify, WooCommerce, or any kind of other e-commerce platform, then Skype is the best, because with the use of Skype you can save everything in that, like every chat you are doing with the Bing AI or any other person. So that's a major benefit using the Bing AI, using the chatbot in Skype. So suppose you want a description for your store, then you can simply ask the AI write a description for your store. You can mention the name of your store and it will create a description. It will write a description for your platform, and then simply you can copy and paste in your e-commerce platform. Then definitely if you have an e-commerce platform, you need a SEO based description, you need a SEO based title, and for that you can simply paste the major key features of your product, and suppose size, material, weight, whatever it is. You can simply write down the basic requirements, and you can simply write down the basic key features of that product, and you can ask the AI to write a complete description of the product and it will do it for you. And then again simply you can copy and paste it in your WooCommerce or a Shopify store, and it saved a lot of time, because you have 100 or 500 products on your store, then it would be difficult to upload these products on a daily basis, like 100 products on daily basis if you are doing it manually. But if you are going to take a benefit of AI, then it would be much easier for you, because first you need to copy the product key features and paste it in a Bing AI, or I can say Skype AI. Then simply you can press the enter and it will write a description for you, and then simply copy the description and paste it in your Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. Again, definitely you need a keywords for that one if you have a e-commerce store, or if you have any kind of website to promote the websites, we need a keywords and it will do it for you. You need to simply write a SEO based keyword. If you are doing previous chat, then it will provide the keywords according to that chat. Otherwise, if you want keywords for your new website, then you can simply mention the name of that website and it will provide the keywords, SEO based keywords according to that. Hey, you can check on my screen, it is providing the complete information of the keywords, and it is giving you some information like you can use these keywords on your website content, title tags, meta description, headings, and it is providing everything for you. So if you are running any kind of website, e-commerce platform, then it would be much beneficial for you. You can take a benefit of that one. You can simply write a SEO based titles, descriptions, page informations, keywords to grow your store, to grow your e-commerce platform, to grow your website. You can take a benefit of that one. Now if you have a technical team, or if you are doing any kind of technical work, suppose programming, then you can also take a benefit of that one. Then simply you need to if you are getting an error in any kind of code, then you simply need to copy that code and paste it in that, and you can write what is the mistake in that, and it will figure out the problem and provide you a new code, errorless code I can say, and it will provide you a complete information about that error and solve that error, so that again you can simply copy and paste that code in your website, in your editor, so that you can solve your problem. So for technical team, it's again a beneficial AI chatbot for to solve the problems. If you want to use the chatbot, then you need to write the question, and because if you are going to upload any kind of file like image, PDF, or any kind of other file, then it is not going to respond about that one. It will show you a message, sorry I can't respond to the uploaded files, what does it contain, sorry I think we need to move on. It will give you such kind of message because it's a chatbot. So you need to first write the question and it will provide the answer according to that. Now the major benefit I was talking about the Bing AI, or I was talking about the Skype AI, is that that if you are running a business, if you are working with a team, then you can create a group of that one. By creating a group, you can use the Bing AI and you can, talk with your coworkers. So this is the major benefit of that. For example, you can create a group of e-commerce team, and in that you can add a Bing AI. For using the Bing AI, you can mention a Bing and write down your question. It will provide the complete answer according to that, and then any team member in that group can ask the question to the Bing AI and it will provide the answer to that. If you have a technical team, content creation team, or a designer team, technical team, business team, or any kind of team, can create multiple groups in that, and with the using of that group, so you can do chat with AI and with your team, so that you can take a benefit of both with the use of Bing AI and with the team members. If any team member have a technical point, so that you can get a notify too, and with the help of Bing you can get answer of that one too. And for content creators, it's a worthwhile too. As I mentioned, as I shown everything to you, how it is working, how you can create a content of that one, and how you can remove the errors while using the Bing AI, and simply all the things you can do in the group. So this is about the Skype AI. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, and please share it with your friends and with your teammates so that they can take a benefit of Skype AI on priority basis.